Gising na si Nicole. Yung surprise. Come on. Look at Daddy's surprise. Daddy's surprise. Daddy's surprise. Oo. Oh. Ano, dumating na yung package mo, ano? Oh, bagong gising pa. Alin? Tingnan mo yung name mo. Nandiyan name mo. Tingnan mo. Wow. Nakita mo yung name? Nakita mo? Oh, ano sasabihin mo? Alin? Palagay ay ano? From Warren M. Valencia. Nasa kabila yung name mo, Nicole Valencia.
Okay, this is our blue. This is a soybean, chili, and garlic sauce. But it tastes like a sweet barbecue sauce, actually. How do you do that?
Kita mo? Kita mo?
Cool. All right, we got our cabbage, all these different textures, and
Sulat ni
nice,
Daddy.
crunchy, refreshing bean sprouts, little green onion, little shredded carrot, a little extra carrot.
Balik
She
mo na.
shredded the carrot there, she's biased. Okay, there's our patty right in the middle. I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to expect you to do your seconds by yourself, okay? You fold it over, you got this neat little package. You don't want to give a little
Bubuksan na
squish.
natin.
Oh.
Ayan, binubuksan na namin yung package ni Nicole. Tuwan-tuwa si Nicole. Oh, dumating na siya.
Ano kayang surprise ni Daddy?
Yung order kay Daddy, ano?
Happy holidays. Wow, Lifestyle Network.
Hindi ko mabinubuksan, hinihintay kita nga.
May surprise pala sa'yo?
Ako nagpabili lang ng conditioner ko.
Keeping the egg safely in quarantine.
Ahem.
Has come to unleash the most potent combination since nitrobenzylglycerin, dairy, and eggs. Once combined, this duo can be transformed by heat to a creamy, quasi-solid vessel of infinite versatility. Bread pudding, pastry cream, creme anglaise, ice cream, creme brulee, Sauvignon, quiche, and creme caramel, aka flan, are all born of this protein substance that we call pasta. Of course, we also call it
Ay, where's your tip naman? Parang lagay mo yung tip, binibideo ka, wala kang tip.
Mamaya, kunin natin yung tip mo. Nakalimutan na yung tip mo. Kasi mamuna record ko kunin ko.
when the super savory, I'm sure to take 1 cup of dairy and add 2 large eggs. The French call is
Mamaya, ito
royale.
ang kabila.
Now they use it to bind up just about anything from dessert sauces to Renault engines to quiche, which is just a fancy pants name. But what we like to call the refrigerator top. It all starts with a crust. Then you just go through to a refrigerator.
Puro chocolate yata ang bigay kay Icol eh.
Yeah, it's frozen. So,
Oh, ayun.
Aba, ang ganda yung maliit na toy.
cooked spinach.
Ano ba ito?
Ay,
Oh, daming chocolate. Iba-ibang laman.
Ang dami. Ang conditioner ko, ayun.
Ano ba yung conditioner mo yun yung ano?
Aking conditioner, ano?
Sa mama, ito!
Ay, akin nga, pinabili ko yung kay Daddy.
Toss that all together. Key to this, make sure that you layer it even, and then there's plenty of room for the boy owl to get in there and move around. Don't have it too full, but I think I could go a little bit
So
more.
natin.
Ay, say thank you to your daddy naman.
Ano sasabihin mo kay Daddy?
Nicole.
Mixture will cook right up
Ano
out of the pot.
sasabihin mo kay Daddy?
Now,
Ang
as
naman
for
ang mga
the
bigay
royale, all
ko.
it really needs at this point is a couple heavy pinches of salt, one,
Listerin, packet pa.
and a grating
Ay,
of
pwede.
It's a French thing, but it's okay anyway.
Ito ah,
Doesn't take
happy.
much, just a few.
Wow, tsaka yung rubber, ang ganda.
Ay, yung may gulong.
Sinasabi ko, apat na gulong na gano'n.
Yan na ba? Di tama si Daddy.
Very
Tama.
go very slow.
Oh, ano sasabihin mo kay Daddy doon sa video dali?
Thank you.
One in ear rolls, one in clumps.
Ito yung poly packet. Oh,
Ano yung may maliliit na tao na naiiba-iba?
tuwan-tuwa ka? Ate, ito, huwag mo itatapon yung ano ha. Oh.
Ah,
That's the oven. You want to go with green?
mahal dito yung ganyan, poly packet.
For about 45 minutes.
Tama yung bili ni Daddy.
In on it about 35
Tama.
minutes. Now, what portion is possibly
Pantin. Pabira mo.
Bibili ko din si Kuya Bibin sa Gaisano para mag-escape kayo ni Kuya Bibin, ha? Ha? Ay, wala nang battery.
Matay?
Nagpa-flash yung battery.
Mamamatay naman yan ang kanya.
Nag-click siya.
Sabi mo, say thank you. Say thank you, Daddy. I love you. Sabi mo, Daddy.
Tama. Tama ang bili ni Daddy. Tama ang bili. Galing ni Daddy.
Ito.
Galing ni Daddy. Mamaya, tingnan mo muna. Ito muna ating pupusan.
Thanks, Shirley.
Tama yung ano, bili ni Daddy. Tama.
45 minutes is on by already.
Ganda, oh.
Looks good, but mostly live. The only way to be sure is to feel. Just
Ba't na-light ang kulay? Na-light?
If you're going in doubt, pop a hole in the middle with a knife, spear, or toothpick. Like that.
Ano,
And then push. If liquid comes and gushes
Oh, ayan,
up through the
dali.
hole,
Mamaya
it's not
natin
more
buksan
cooking to
ito.
go.
Tama ba
This,
yung bili
however,
ni Daddy?
does not.
Wow! Dali, lapas mo.
Ang ganda. Bibili ko rin si Kuya Bibin para laro kayo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay.
Now, you had a
Ay, ang
big
ganda.
Ganda, dali sa katin mo.
You could multiply your one
Paano
batch
ito
of
naitataas
well-whisked
ka na?
elixir and say, oh, 8.
Ah, pinipindot yun. Ay, ang galing naman
Little
nito.
baby
Yan
that
nga,
are
oh.
leeks and
Ayan,
gruyere,
nilagyan pa
always
kayo.
nice. Then, of course, we could go with sauteed mushrooms and Swiss cheese. Always a favorite, one of
Tama
mine,
na pala
certainly
yun
a classic.
napindot.
Ooh, spinach, artichoke
Ito,
hearts,
paano
and
naman tinatabi?
Parmesan. Very, very, very continental.
Babalik.
Then, of course, there's last night's roast chicken with a little bit of goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes.
Napipindutin pala yung
So that would be very creamy. Blanched asparagus and smoked salmon. You can't beat that for a Sunday brunch. And then, personally, one of my favorites, a fruity French porcelain spare.
Big ka ni Nicole.
Nasa katin mo muna.
Sa ating madali.
17th century
Sabi,
Spain.
sino kayo nagbibideo si Ate Lita?
They are sharing a ride on the California Express. Suddenly,
Ganda, ano.
substantially
Yung little prince. Iba nga naman yung meron dito. Ano?
Iba?
survivors surveyed the damage. Culinary, another.
Pangit yung nandito sa atin.
Iinit na naman sa iyo si ano. Si Karen. Dali, ate. Tsaka nga papabili rin niyo. Dali, sa ate. Wow, ganda! Ganda.
Gus was born.
Yun ay pampreno, igaganon mo
I
lang
guess the French
pepreno
thought
ka na.
blonde sounded
Alin,
like
alin?
blend because they
Alin
changed
na
it to
ayun.
creme caramel.
Ah, oo.
Either way, it's a deliciously simple.
Eh, ang ganda nili. Ang ganda eh. Ah, ang bagay na bagay sa iyo eh.
Traditionally, that's a caramel, but ever flexible flan is just as adept at showing off the depth of your pantry as the depth of your custard skills. Introducing the sauce.
Kabila.
1.5 cups of whole milk, a cup of half a can.
Kahit ano na Yoli. Basta ka mini skirt siya, ganda. Ay, pwede na niya yung sapatos ah.
Hindi ko papasukin sa pato.
Ilalagay niya yung sapatos niya tapos ay di.
Hindi ko papasok sa school.
Blueberry jam.
Ay, bawal ang may kulay ah.
apricot preserve,
Hindi, ragan naman hindi pag
ice cream
PE.
topping, butterscotch, and
Bawal nga may gulong. Ah,
a roasted
mamaya
or
magbubuk
baking
sa'yo ng
soda
gulong.
and a comfortably accommodate 8 custard cups with at least an inch to spare all the way around. A glass or stainless steel bowl with a spout, a fine mesh strainer, a small non-reactive saucepan, a kettle of boiling water, and yes, in this case, water is hardware, and a whisk.
Oo, mamaya bibigyan ka. Tingnan ko
You
sa
know,
pakan.
these
Hindi, sige,
arcade
hindi.
devices are downright indispensable. You ever thought about what the whisk really does? Well, it depends on what it's got its time.
Mamaya mo yan.
See, the multiplex of thin wires on this balloon whisk are configured to integrate large volumes of air into
Sabi ng dahan-dahan.
Oo.
the configuration
Hahawakan ka muna,
French
no?
whisk is different.
Yan ang pampreno, iganan mo anak, iganan mo. Yun, pepreno yun. Lagi kayo nagaganon ng gano'n mo lang. Titigil.
Now, this flat roof is
Ayos, maganda. Ha? Gusto mo? Oh, wow, ang ganda. Maganda tayo. Wala ka dito. Hindi muna pwede sa mall lang ganyan eh. Wala tayong gagawin mga hapong kundi ganyan.
Paturuan mo doon?
Turuan mo na. Ay, kailangan mo ba may ano? May helmet ka.
Akay ni Mami. Yeah.
Gusto ko yun, ano may helmet.
Oo nga. Dito sa ano?
Patay na.
Pinili ko. Oh, wow. Ang galing, oh. Dito naman, anak. Mangapit ka sa tabi.
Yari! Mami!
Oh, wow. Kaya mong tumayo. Ang ganda, oh. Hawak-hawak na konti-konti. At mga tabi-tabi. O, dali. Yan, ikaw, dahan-dahan. Yan, dahan-dahan lang. Yan. Yan, yun. Wow, ang ganda. Bagay ka kulay ng helmet mo, anak.
Oo nga, kakulay ko. Ang galing!
Kali. Alisin mo muna yung gulong at
Nagdala din ni Mami?
maglakad ka muna. Oo. Alisin mo muna yung gulong at maglalakad muna.
Pindot mo na bago ka.
Ipindot mo tapos yung ano,
Tara.
titiklo tapos bibitawan yung ano. Pindot mo tapos tiklopin tapos bitawan yung yan. Yung isa.
Ikaw mag-isa. Pindot mo. Huwag nang sabay pindot. Isa lang. Oh, okay?
Bitaw.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay ba? Okay. Push. Push muna first. Okay. Oh, move. Oh.
Yan, lakad nga, patayin nga pag rubber shoes na. Wow! Ang ganda. Okay. Pasok sa kwarto. Ayos.
Sa bahay. Inis ko yung susi sa bahay.
In other words, they've increased their temperature by at least 2 feet. So,